Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Geomatics Engineering. And as in our last lecture, we have learned about how to create a point, line and polygon in ArcGIS Pro. So as I said in my last lecture that in the upcoming lecture we will talk about the attribute tables. So first let me add that point, line, polygon that we have created in our last lecture. So first I'm going to catalog, then I have my favorite. Then last time we have created this three shapefile, the location one, the road shapefile and the water body shapefile. So if I zoom into these layers, so this we have created in our last lecture. So in this lecture we are going to talk about the attribute table. So just by right click on the layer and going into the attribute table, you will have this attribute table. So currently we have only one polygon in the shapefile. So it is showing here. If you want to add one more polygon in the shapefile, so that we also can do. So let me create one more polygon in this. So as in our last lecture we have learned how to create a polygon. So in same way we will create another polygon in the shapefile. So for that we have to go to edit and then create, and from here we will select this water body and then polygon. Now we will create another polygon. So there is one more water body. First let me close this attribute table so that I will have some space on the screen. Now I will start creating this polygon. I am roughly digitizing this water body. Just by double clicking we will finish the edit. And now if we will open the attribute table, we can see that there are two rows added in the attribute table, which shows there are two polygons in this shapefile. So now we will learn how to add a field in the shapefile. So here you can see this add field option. It's deactivated now because we haven't saved our edit. So first save the edit, then this add field option will be activated. So now we will learn how to calculate the area for these water bodies. So for that we will first add a field. So for adding field, here you can see that one more dialog box opens up. So three fields are already there: the FID, the shape, the ID. The fourth field you have to name it. So we are going to calculate the area for water bodies. So I'm giving the field name as area. So last name I'm leaving it as blank, and data type I want the data type as double. I want the area in decimals, and I'm not defining the precision for this field. Let it be like this, and now we'll click on save. And after clicking on save, just closing this another dialog box, and you can see that the area field is added here. And if you want to delete this field, just right click on the area and it will show you a delete option also. So for now we are not going to delete this, we have to calculate the area. So just deselecting all the selections, and now right click on the area, just we used to do in ArcGIS desktop version. In the same way here also the calculate geometry option is there. So we'll click on the calculate geometry option. So it will open up a dialog box for you. So here the input feature water body is selected, the area field is selected, and we want to calculate the area. So in property, select the area, and in what units do you want to area to be calculated? So I want it in square meters. And next is coordinate system. So I am selecting the coordinate system, same as for the shapefile it is. Now we will click on OK. So it will calculate the area for both these water bodies. So in the same way we can calculate the length of the road that we have created in the line shapefile. So let's do it for the road also. So again opening up the attribute table for road. Now here is one line feature in the shapefile. So I am adding field. So field name I want length of this road, and the data type I want in double, and just click on save. Then we'll close this, and in the road you can see that one more field is added as length. Just right click on this length, then go on calculate geometry. So it will show the input feature as road, and the property we want it for length, and the length unit I want this road into, let's calculate this in meters, and coordinate systems same as shapefile. Now we'll click on OK. So here now you can see that in the attribute table the length of the road in meters is calculated, and we have one more shapefile location. So for location we can label the name of this location. So just open the attribute table for this location, and I want to name this point as location, because I'm not sure what location is this. It is somewhere in Madhya Pradesh. So again we will add one more field, and I want give the field name as name, and data type this time we will keep it as text, because we want the location name that will be in the text. Now we'll save this and close this. So in the location tab you can see that there is one field as a name is added. So for now I am giving the name as Madhya Pradesh. Now we'll save this, and now this name Madhya Pradesh, I want to label it on the screen. So first I am closing all this attribute tables, and here we can see this location. Let me symbolize this with some other symbol. So now if we want to label this, we just have to right click on this location and you will see the label option here. So if you will just click on the label, it will show whatever the default field is selected in the label field. So currently it's showing 5D. For checking the label properties, you have to right click on the shapefile and you need to go on label property. So now in the expression you can see that the ID feature is selected for labeling. So we want the name here instead of ID. So I've just removed this whole expression and just double click on this name field. So one expression will be created for you. Now click on apply, and now you can see on the screen the Madhya Pradesh is labeled here. You can also change the symbology for this name also. So here in the dialog box of labeling properties, just go on the symbol and you can change the text fill symbol here, the color from here, like if I want it in yellow. So here you can see that the labeling has been changed into yellow. You can also select the positioning of this label, also the orientation, rotation. So there are so many options in labeling properties. If you are creating a proper map, so this labeling properties will help you in so many ways. You can explore this labeling option here in Arc Pro. So for now, what we have created, so we learned in this lecture how to calculate the area of a polygon, the length of a road feature, and how to add field, name it and label it on a map in ArcGIS Pro. So I hope you understand all about this from this video. If you are having any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much.